Hi people, have you ever went to one of your friends with your Ableton project and something is missing out, or you don't have that file so the sound doesn't work or something like this? Well, in Ableton you can create a pack, and by creating a pack you can go to your friends or share that pack online and everything will work as is working on your PC. Let's look together on how to share something on Ableton and make sure that everyone has the file that needs to play that instrument or to play that project for sure. At first, you open Ableton, obviously, and you create your own instrument and whatever. Yeah, we got it. You can have as many tracks as you want. And yes, you can actually save it by the saving thing here. You can save the preset I have already previously done. When you save a preset, you just save the information in the instruments you're using, but not the sample that you're using. And that's very important, because if you use a sample that they actually recorded and you go to your friends don't have it. So you should take it with you, or you can actually collect all and save right here. By collecting and save, you're saving the project and everything that you used in this project. But to share only the file that you are actually using and not the processed file and chopped file and whatever that is trash, let's say like this, you should go on View, File Manager, and here to the second one, Manage Project. In the end of it, there will be a packing option. You can easily archive or share this project by creating a pack. You create a pack and you can save it wherever you want. And here, let's create a pack. Yes, I already did it, so I will replace it. Okay, successfully created. And if you go on my desktop, it will be here, Instrument to Export, ALP. So it's an Ableton project, and when your friend or whoever open that file, it will have the same project that you actually have here with all the information that you collect here. If you have audio, if you have MIDI tracks, if you have whatever automations, they will be in that pack, so they can work on it even if they previously never have the sample or something like this. Like this, you're sure that the other people, let's say like this, have everything about your project. Also this thing. I saw some people online that are saying that packing a project will make the project lighter. No, that's not true. It won't make the project lighter. It will create something that doesn't have the unnecessary files. So the project won't be lighter. The folder project will be lighter. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe if you're interested in more content like this, and see you the next time.
There are places in the world that aren't made out of stone, that there's something inside. Haven't you ever felt that way about music?